Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Beginner. Myself Pavani, software professional. Today I am here because I am planning to share my real world IT knowledge through structured courses by using YouTube platform. First I will start with Java course because it is the foundation for other courses like SAP Hybris or Salesforce, which I want to cover next. If you are here today, it probably means one of the reason might be you want to learn Java from the beginning, or you are thinking about moving into an IT career, or you are a fresher who wants that first job opportunity. If I am correct, yes, then you are in the right place. I know that learning programming can sometimes feel confusing and sometimes feel scary because many people think Java is difficult. Can I really learn coding? Do I really need a strong technical background? A number of questions will come into our mind. So, let me tell you one thing clearly. Anyone can learn Java, but with the right guidance and simple explanations. And that's exactly why I started this channel and I am here today. First, I will be teaching Java step by step. Instead of teaching, I can say sharing. Yes. So, first, I will start sharing Java step by step from the basics. Okay. So, in this course, we are going to learn not just Java syntaxes. We are also learning how things work in real IT projects. And we will focus on interview preparation and coding confidence. So, whether you are a fresher or a working professional planning to switch to IT or someone restarting your learning journey, I'm here to support you all the way. If you want to build a strong Java foundation and grow your IT career with confidence, make sure to subscribe this channel and learn along with me. This is just my introduction. In the next session, I will walk you through the complete learning plan and course index. So you will know exactly what we will be covering step by step. And one more thing I want to share with you. I am from Telugu background, but I have to choose to conduct this entire program only in English because the reason is simple. Especially in IT industry, we need to communicate with clients and teams every day in English only. So clients may not understand our Telugu, and sometimes we even have to explain project delays, risks, other issues with the client clearly. In that situation, the way we explain and the word we choose can completely change the outcome. So, what I mean, English is not just a language, it becomes an important professional skill. That's why I want all of us, including myself, to get comfortable speaking and understanding English. I will speak slowly, clearly, and easy to understand style so that everyone can follow along. While we learning Java together, we will also become more confident in English as well, which will really help us in our IT career. Let's learn, grow, and improve together. Okay, so that's it for today. See you in course planning session.